We'll smoke a couple.
I'm a bad transporter of goods.
We don't believe that. That's what you're doing. We don't believe that. Sorry, bro. No, that's your specialty. All right, my bad. They need to be super valuable. I'm going to work out with your boy Tommy Berger at the Sandbox. NYC Tommy from the neighborhood. Yeah, you do. Older guy with the cane, New York guy. You know, we talked to at the corner. Our homie from the corner, Tommy, old Tommy Berger.
Burger, yeah.
I'm going to meet him at the Sandbox. Get a workout.
Nice.
Muscle Beach.
Beautiful. I did it. Yeah.
You're always invited. Green team, the Falcon.
Dude, I might going right now?
Yeah. Come through.
Okay.
Smoke a couple, do some pull-ups, you know.
There you go.
Venice Beach stuff.
You already know.
All right, big dog. Happy New Year. Looking good. Hold it down, fellas. Green team. Love the kid art. Gotta have it. Testing everywhere. The new private prison moneymaker is testing. Well, it's a little better in private prisons. So yeah, shut down the private prisons. Open a testing spot where it's optional. You don't throw people in there, they get to come there if they want. Keep it urban. There's trees around here. Building game, tree game, green team. Eyes to the sky. UFOs, they're out there.